Hi everyone, I want to share with you the latest news and insights on artificial intelligence. Today, I'm going to talk about OpenAI DevDay, the first developer conference hosted by OpenAI, one of the most influential AI research organizations in the world. OpenAI DevDay took place on November 6, 2023 in San Francisco, and it was a great opportunity for developers to learn about new tools, models, and products that OpenAI has been working on. In this video, I will give you my personal impressions and opinions on the event, as well as some of the most interesting and inspiring projects and demos that I saw. So, stay tuned and let's get started. OpenAI has introduced GPT4 Turbo, an enhanced iteration of its flagship text generation AI, GPT4. This upgraded model is touted as both more powerful and more cost-effective. GPT4 Turbo is available in two versions, one focused on text analysis and a second version that comprehends both text and images in context. The text analyzing variant is currently in preview via an API, with OpenAI's plan to make both versions generally available in the near future. OpenAI has optimized the performance of GPT4 Turbo, resulting in a 3x reduction in the price for input tokens and a 2x reduction for output tokens compared to GPT-4. Moreover, GPT-4 Turbo boasts several improvements over its predecessor, including a more recent knowledge base that enables more accurate responses to inquiries about recent events. Additionally, GPT-4 Turbo features an expanded context window, allowing it to maintain context and relevance in conversations. The context window, measured in tokens, refers to the text the model considers before generating additional text. Models with larger context windows are less likely to veer off topic or produce problematic responses. Furthermore, GPT-4 Turbo introduces a new Json Mode to ensure valid JSON responses. This feature is particularly beneficial for web applications that transmit data between servers and clients, facilitating seamless display on web pages. OpenAI has introduced GPTs, a means for individuals to create their own iterations of the widely popular conversational AI system. This allows for the customization of GPTs for both recreational and productive purposes, with the potential to share them on a marketplace dubbed the GPT Store, potentially leading to monetary gains. For example, developers or companies can utilize a GPT trained on their proprietary code, facilitating quick style checks and harmonious code generation. Creating a GPT is as simple as engaging in a conversation with ChatGPT and specifying your preferences. Altman emphasized, you can effectively program a GPT with language just by talking to it. This accessibility empowers users to customize the behavior to suit their needs. Altman demonstrated this on stage, communicating with ChatGPT to create a bot designed to offer advice to startup founders on enhancing their ventures. Additionally, users will have the option to integrate external services, such as sending unsupported languages to a translation API, with control over how their data is managed. The unveiling of the GPT Store by OpenAI marks a significant development. This platform will serve as the distribution hub for GPTs, potentially leading to monetization in the future. The concept mirrors the highly successful App Store model pioneered by Apple, underlining OpenAI's ambition to establish a similar ecosystem. Not only will GPTs be hosted and developed on OpenAI platforms, but they will also be promoted and assessed. Altman revealed, "We're committed to compensating creators of the most widely used and valuable GPTs with a share of our revenue," hinting at further details to be disclosed. This strategic move places OpenAI in direct competition with industry giants like Apple and even its longtime supporter, Microsoft. The monetization of GPT models outside the confines of traditional app stores may lead to potential conflicts with established players. Furthermore, Microsoft is on the verge of introducing its own Copilot models tailored for tasks within Office tools, setting the stage for potential clashes with enterprise-level GPTs. During its developer conference, OpenAI introduced the Assistance API, a significant advancement aimed at enabling developers to create agent-like experiences within their applications. With the Assistance API, OpenAI clients gain the capability to construct specialized assistants equipped with precise instructions. These assistants can tap into external knowledge and leverage OpenAI's generative AI models and tools to carry out various tasks. The potential applications span from natural language-based data analysis apps to coding aids and even AI-driven vacation planners. The underlying engine of the new Assistance API is the Code Interpreter, a tool developed by OpenAI for writing and executing Python code in a secure, controlled environment. Furthermore, the Assistance API can leverage a retrieval component to enhance developer-created assistance with knowledge sourced from beyond OpenAI's models. This could include information about products or documents supplied by a company's staff. Additionally, the API supports function calling, allowing assistants to trigger specific programming functions defined by a developer and incorporate the resulting outputs into their responses. The Assistance API is currently in its beta phase. Looking ahead, OpenAI has plans to enable customers to integrate their own assistant driving tools to complement the existing Code Interpreter, retrieval component, and function calling capabilities on the platform. OpenAI has introduced DALL-E 3, its text-to-image model, now accessible through an API following its initial integration with ChatGPT and Bing Chat. This API comes with built-in moderation features designed to prevent misuse, according to OpenAI. The DALL-E 3 API provides various format and quality options, offering resolutions ranging from 1024x1024 to 1792x1024, with pricing starting at 0.04 per generated image. However, it is currently somewhat constrained compared to the DALL-E 2 API. In contrast to its predecessor, DALL-E 3 lacks the capability to generate edited versions of images by altering specific areas of an existing image or creating variations. OpenAI also notes that when a generation request is sent to DALL-E 3, it may automatically rewrite it for safety reasons and to add more detail, potentially leading to less precise results based on the provided prompt. Additionally, OpenAI has introduced the Audio API, a text-to-speech platform offering 6 preset voices, namely Alloy, Echo, Fable, Onyx, Nova, and Shimer. It also features 2 generative AI model variants. Notably, OpenAI does not provide a means to control the emotional tone of the generated audio. The company acknowledges that certain factors, such as capitalization or grammar in the text being read aloud, may influence the sound of the generated voices, but internal tests have yielded mixed results. OpenAI mandates that developers utilizing the Audio API must inform users that the audio is generated by AI. In a related development, OpenAI has launched the latest iteration of its open-source automatic speech recognition model, Whisper Large v3. The company asserts that this version exhibits enhanced performance across multiple languages. It is accessible on GitHub and is made available under a permissive license. OpenAI has announced its dedication to assist enterprises using OpenAI items in case of copyright violation accusations linked to OpenAI services and applications. Under a newly launched initiative referred to as Copyright Shield, OpenAI committed to covering the legal costs customers incur. This offer is only for users of the commonly accessible features of OpenAI's developer platform and ChatGPT Enterprise, the top-level version of its AI-driven ChatGPT chatbot. It covers lawsuits over intellectual property claims related to work created in an OpenAI tool. However, it doesn't apply to all OpenAI products, such as ChatGPT's free and plus tiers. OpenAI assured that customers are safeguarded by copyright measures in their systems in a post on TechCrunch's blog. AI models such as ChatGPT, GPT4, and DALL-E 3 can learn from examples to generate essays and code, craft artwork and music, and write song lyrics. They are trained using millions to billions of commonly available materials, such as ebooks, artworks, emails, songs, audio clips, voice recordings, and more. Some of these materials fall under public domain, specifically in cases where vendors traverse the web to obtain training data, such as OpenAI. Others, however, are restricted by licenses that call for proper compensation or citation. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new about OpenAI DevDay and the amazing work that OpenAI is doing to advance artificial intelligence for the benefit of humanity. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more AI-related content. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Goodbye.